Welcome. This video is part of a series developed to increase awareness and use of quality improvement across the health unit. In this video, we'll talk about strategy and planning. A strategic approach to quality means doing work in each of the 6 drivers of organizational excellence identified in the Excellence Canada framework. Strategy and planning is one of those drivers. By the end of this video, you should know what strategy and planning includes, why it's important to organizational quality, and what we've done here at the Northwestern Health Unit in this area. The focus for this driver is on planning and related activities across the health unit. This includes planning in 3 general areas: strategic or agency level plans, operational or business plans, what we usually call program plans, and improvement plans, either at the agency, team, or process level. Plans across the 3 areas need to be in place and coherent. Operational and improvement plans need to be consistent with the agency strategic plan. This driver includes not just the planning function, but monitoring progress, evaluating results, and reporting on all plans. Why is strategy and planning one of the 6 drivers? The planning process allows us to look at the needs of our customers and figure out how best to meet those needs. A strategic plan sets overall agency direction and goals and helps to make sure that we're all moving in the same direction. Program or operational plans help me to understand what my work looks like at the individual or team level on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. These plans also let me see how my work connects to the whole, what others are doing, and how we might work together to improve efficiency and enhance our collective success. And the improvement plans help us to know where to focus our efforts when we go about improving our systems and processes. Monitoring, evaluation, and reporting are all important steps in accountability so that we and others can know that we're making progress on the things that matter to our customers. So what have we done here at the health unit in the area of strategy and planning? First, at the agency level, we have a strategic plan that includes our vision, mission, and values statements. These were developed based on significant staff input, and our next process will include stakeholder input. The strategic plan is shared with all staff and used to inform team, program, and improvement planning. Our strategic plan includes SMART objectives, some related to agency structures and processes, making the plan itself an improvement plan at the agency level. As noted in a previous video, progress on the strategic plan is reviewed quarterly by the Leadership Council and twice each year by the Board of Health. At the program level, every program in the health unit has an operational plan informed by the strategic plan, the OPHS, the organizational standards, and/or other relevant funder requirements. We monitor progress on our program plans in various ways across the health unit and adjust our plans as needed throughout the year. We complete an annual report at the end of each year that in part informs the activities for the next year. All of the program plans are in SharePoint so that everybody can see them. This helps us to see what others are doing as one way of identifying where we can work together to serve our customers better. We have several types of improvement plans at the health unit. Each team has a performance index that outlines several areas where it wants to improve existing services or systems. Progress is monitored twice a year on the same cycle as the strategic plan. Each team also undertakes one CQI project every year. This project might be connected to the performance index, but is often some other structure or process that the group has decided to focus on. Progress on these projects is monitored on a case-by-case basis, and an annual report is submitted to the Board of Health every year. Our staff performance appraisals include an individual development or improvement plan. These are negotiated with staff as part of the performance appraisal process and monitored on an ongoing basis. All of these improvement planning processes reference the strategic and/or program plans. The health unit has several related activities that support this strategy and planning work. We have human and financial resources to support agency planning, and more generally, excellence, innovation, and wellness work. This includes not just foundation staff time to support program planning, but time for staff from across the health unit to participate in the CQI and wellness committees and related work. And finally, we communicate our plans using various methods including email, team and all staff meetings, SharePoint announcements, and by posting them on SharePoint where all staff can see them. Next time, we'll look at the area of process and project management.